Hey Linux lovers, welcome back to Tech Tentacles. Today, we're diving into the world of Linux terminal keyboard shortcuts, those time-saving combinations that can turbocharge your productivity. But we're not just talking about them. We'll show you how they work practically within the terminal. Before starting the video, if you're new here, consider watching this video from the suggested videos first. It'll set the stage for what we're about to explore. So let's start today's video. Let's kick things off with Ctrl-. This nifty shortcut decreases the font size within the terminal, helping you fit more content onto the screen without squinting. The next command is Ctrl+, is a great way to increase the font size within the terminal. When you need to focus on details or make the text more visible, this shortcut comes in handy. Conversely, Ctrl+0 resets the font size back to its default setting. Imagine you've adjusted the font for a better view and need to return to the standard size. Now moving on to Ctrl+Shift+D and Ctrl+Shift+R. These shortcuts are brilliant for splitting the terminal. Ctrl+Shift+D horizontally splits the terminal, and Ctrl+Shift+R vertically splits it, allowing you to multitask effectively by viewing different outputs simultaneously. Now let's explore Alt+Up, Alt+Down, Alt+Left, and Alt+Right. These shortcuts navigate between subterminals created by splitting the terminal. Alt+Up and Alt+Down move to the top and bottom subterminals, while Alt+Left and Alt+Right navigate to the left and right subterminals respectively. Now the last, Ctrl+Shift+M, is a fantastic toggle for the menu in the terminal, providing a quick way to access options and settings when needed. So there you have it, 10 invaluable Linux terminal keyboard shortcuts demonstrated practically. Start incorporating these shortcuts into your workflow to boost your efficiency and multitasking abilities. If you found this video helpful, show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing for more content, and drop a comment if there are any other Linux topics or shortcuts you'd like us to explore in detail. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.